This video is about creating an addendum because I received an email from Whitney telling me to create an addendum as follows: input and DocuSign for my review. So, seller to have fire alarm and code detectors installed as per state law prior to the escrow. Seller treat water and have well retested. So expense and well coliform bacteria test. Seller have to have earthquake straps installed on water heater by qualified license funded contractor. Okay, I go to zipform, and this is for 120 timber. So 120 timber. Go here, go to documents, and she's asking us to create an addendum, buyer repair addendum. So we add a document, add a form. So usually forms are here, RF or SOMLS. So we go here and we look for the repair addendum. So let's see where the repair addendum is. Buyer repair addendum. Here we go. And then here is the document. Alright, so these ones have automatically been filled up because prior to this one we've already created other documents. But if in case the document is not here yet, or sale agreement number is not here yet, or the other ones, we have to type them in. So the buyer and seller, this ones, and the note, we type the note there if they haven't sent us like something yet. It's for sale. You better do one before. Usually it expires like tomorrow afternoon. So we want to send this today. So today is Monday the 30th. So it will expire, say, Wednesday, August 1. So say it expires on August 1. Should give buyer written notice, blah blah blah. It expect to within 2 days. Let's see that. The repair action shall be completed on or before Alright, let's just leave that blank. Right. Seller response. We didn't put that yet. Right, and we'll save that. And we'll save it to our draft. We download it. Close it. We go to DocuSign. Again. So I usually rename this just so I can easily find it. This is for 120 timber buyer repair addendum. So the date is here, 01/2018, or the form, I mean. So I usually put them in one folder. Go to zipform, create a new envelope. We upload that there. then C, the seller is Stephen Montgomery. So we just type in Montgomery. See if it's here. Alright. It's there. Okay, click next. Right. And we want the seller to DocuSign this one. And expiration. This information I do not know yet, so I'm going to save this as a draft and then we'll email him. Okay. And I think that's it. Thank you.